If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your Postmates subscription, follow these simple steps to manage your subscription settings. Step 1. Open the Postmates app. Launch the Postmates app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your subscription settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the Account Settings option, usually found in the top left or bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account management page. Step 3. Access subscription information. Look for the Subscriptions or Manage Subscription option within the account settings. Click on it to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Select Cancel Subscription. Find the option to cancel your subscription. This may be labeled as Cancel Subscription or Turn off Auto Renewal. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After selecting to cancel, you may need to confirm your choice. Make sure to read any messages that appear to ensure your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Once you've completed these steps, your Postmates subscription should no longer auto-renew. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Postmates customer support for assistance.